Hello everybody, I am here to tell you how to post your artwork to your virtual sketchbook in Seesaw. The first thing you're going to do is go to the Fulton County webpage. And then once you're in the Fulton County webpage, you're going to scroll down until you see this row of choices, and you're going to click the last one called Class Link. Click Class Link, and it opens up. You might need to sign in. Once you're signed in to Class Link, you're going to scroll down through all these icons until you see Seesaw. Seesaw looks like this, and you're going to click it. And what you're going to see when it uploads is my Seesaw. Okay, so we see my name, but when you are coming into Seesaw, you're going to click in this upper left-hand corner and see your name. But since this is my account, we see my name, and you click on your name. And just like I clicked on my name just now, my classes that I teach are showing up here. And I'm scrolling through all of my classes. Now, when you click on your name, all of your classes are going to show up. Now, some of your classes will have some funny names or a combination of letters and numbers, but I made it really easy for you to find your class. For example, if you are a second grade student at Heritage, you're going to scroll until you see an art palette and a baby jaguar that says second grade, and you'll click it. If you are a student that I teach at Gillette, then you're going to click the eagle and art palette, and if you're in this teacher's class, you'll click her. Some kids are telling me that they find their art class at the bottom, so you might need to scroll all the way to the bottom to find your art class. So once you find your art class, click on it. And for today, we're just going to click on Demo. So there's my demo class. This is my demonstration, just my pretend class. So we're going to pretend that this is a real class. All right, so once you get to your class, you can look in this upper right side to make sure you're in your proper class. And once you're there, you're going to click the Add button. It's a green circle with a plus sign that says Add. And you're going to have some artwork that you've worked on that you want to post to your virtual sketchbook. So click the Add, and then you're going to get some choices here, and you're going to choose Post Student Work. And once you're going to get some other choices here that says photo, drawing, and some other things, but you're not going to worry about those. You're just going to click the photo, and then the camera will open up. And now that the camera is open, you're going to post your picture. Now, but before, if you've never used your camera in Seesaw before, you might get a window that says Seesaw wants to use your camera, and you'll just choose Allow, A-L-L-O-W, Allow. So just click Allow, and the camera will open up. And once the camera opens up, you're going to hold up the artwork that you want to post. I like to put my cursor on the camera icon before I hold my picture up because it's kind of backwards, like it's a mirror. So I'm going to hold it up, pull it back, just make sure it looks right. I might need to peek around a little bit to see what I'm doing. Go ahead and click the camera, and once you've taken the picture, you're going to go to the upper right. Do you see this green circle with a white check? You're going to click click the check mark up here on the right, and then your name should come up. Of course, since this is a pretend class, I'm going to click at this pretend person and pretend it's me. Click your name, and then click the green check again. Now I have some pretend classes here. Hopefully you will get a folder, and you're going to choose whichever teacher's folder that your art belongs in. So if you're in Miss Teacher's class, you're going to click her folder, and then you're going to come back up here and click the green check again. And then your artwork is uploaded into your virtual sketchbook. And then I have to approve it. Once I approve it, it will go into your sketchbook, okay? Another way you can upload your artwork is to click on Activities. So click Activities, and in Activities you're going to see some activities I have assigned to you. So if you want to click on an activity, you can just click the plus sign once again, click your name, and then you will do the activity, and then you will click the green check again, and that's how your artwork gets uploaded into your. And if, see here, I did not get a choice to put it in a folder, so click the little folder down here, and then you're going to click the teacher's name that who is your homeroom teacher, and then you click that in the green check, and it will go into your teacher's folder. It'll show you which teacher your folder is in. Okay, so if you have any questions or concerns, please contact me. You can contact me on Seesaw here. There's the inbox, and you can send me a message. Okay, you can also contact me on Teams. Just post a message in Teams. You can email me or Class Dojo. So there's lots of ways to contact me. I hope that this was helpful for you to upload your artwork to your virtual sketchbook. So thank you very much, and have a great day.